In this video, we're going to show you how to make this mug with the mug press. The image is from Design Space. Okay, just cut out the shape that's going to fit around the mug. Now I have to weed it, and this is the other half of it. So on this one, I'm weeding everything I don't want to be on the mug. And then on this one, I'm taking off, kind of weeding off the piece that I want on the mug. And then I'll be putting that piece on the other piece, on the top of the green one. You'll see in a minute. And when weeding Infusible ink, it's much different than weeding vinyl or iron-on. It's more of a cardstock finish, so it weeds completely differently. You have to kind of break it away and crack it to peel it off. Line this up on a line right there so I know it's straight. Put this line up against this line and this. Get it all straight. Take out the middles. Set them in here. Oh. See, there's a dot there. I forgot to take out the dot here and here. There. Now it says enjoy, 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 and we'll wrap it around the mug this way. Okay. Okay, we're gonna lint roll. So it's completely clean. Here's my image. Make sure you do not put it on upside down as I did with this K mug. It's supposed to be a K, but it's upside down. I'm gonna set this down, put this there. I forgot to turn the machine on, so I just turned it on. So here are some of the other mugs that I have made. I only made 3 other ones, and one of them I put on upside down. This one I did with the pen, and I colored in some of it, but I only did one side of the coloring. Okay, I got it started warming up. Okay, now it's green, so we know it's ready. So all you do is you put this in here, just like that. Place the handle kind of in the center between the 2 pieces here. And then you just push down. There may be a slight smell when you turn it on. This takes 6 minutes, and these lights will tell you this just starting, and then in the middle, and then when we're done, they'll all be lit up, and it will also beep and turn off. On Thursday Night Live, March 4th, 2021, we're gonna be doing live demonstrations. I'll show you all the new mugs Cricut has to offer, and we're gonna be having some fun doing this live. We'll use the pens too. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Okay, now it's blinking and it beeped, so we know it's finished. So we don't want to put it in too long, so we lift this up, and that turns it off, and we carefully grab the handle here, pull it straight up, and then set it onto an easy press mat or something we don't want to burn our surface. The cup itself is very, very hot. The handle is not very hot. I can touch the handle. You'll notice at the top there's some scorching a little bit on the paper only. So I have to let it cool to the touch so I can take this off. But I could go ahead and start a new mug right away. Okay, so now we're finished with this. I want to turn this off, so I'm just going to hit the power button. It's the only button on there. And I'm going to close this up, set it off to the side, and I'm going to take this off. Oh, look how beautiful that is! Now see, it kind of scorched this up here. That's okay. It didn't scorch my mug. Isn't that beautiful? It looks like it's watercolored. I used the Natalie Milan Infusible Ink Transfers. This is the Park Sampler. This says the Cricut Joy, but I used it on my maker. It doesn't matter what machine you use it on. Isn't it beautiful? You can even see the little eyes for the J's. You can see all around the bottom. I'm so addicted already. This is so much fun. Look at this mug. I'm so excited. See that? I'm addicted. You guys, these are incredible. You can put them in the microwave. You can put them in the dishwasher. This will never ever fade. The most amazing gifts that we can give now. No one's gonna believe you made this. It's so easy. I'm so excited. I need to buy more mugs. All right, guys, I'm gonna put a link in the description as soon as this is available. You can click that link and make your own mugs. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and if you want to see more mugs, click the like button.